If you're looking for a move-in ready home in one of Port St. Lucie's newest golf communities, this Leslie floor plan is absolutely worth a look. Priced at about $900,000, the home sits at about 2,196 square feet and is 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and several structural options that really enhance this home. But first, let's start with where this home sits within the community. This home is located on Homesite 307 and is part of the Cassidy collection, with the lot size at about 50 feet wide by 150 feet deep, with the back of this home site widening slightly, giving you additional space in the backyard. One of the things I like most about this location is what's directly behind the home. The backyard overlooks hole 5 of the golf course and sits just before the green, with the fairway, bunkers, and golf course landscaping really creating an attractive view from your lanai. It gives the home much more of an open feeling behind the property and creates a beautiful backdrop for outdoor living. Now that you have a better understanding of the home site, let's take a look at the floor plan and some of the upgrades already included in this home. This is the Leslie floor plan, offering 2,196 square feet of living space, 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. One of the great upgrades that were made to this Leslie floor plan is the extended owner's suite and covered lanai, which gives you additional living space while also creating a much larger outdoor entertaining area. The addition of the 3-car garage is really big for this home. I've noticed that many buyers are looking for this feature, whether it's extra storage, you have multiple vehicles, or you want to have space for your golf cart. In addition to structural upgrades, this home includes a professionally selected design package, including the Gourmet kitchen configuration with GE Café appliances, upgraded cabinetry, Cambria quartz countertops, under cabinet lighting, 24 by 24 tile flooring throughout the main living areas and bedrooms, smooth wall finishes, recessed lighting, and a frameless shower in the owner's bath. As we walk the home, you'll get a closer look at many of these features, and if you'd like a complete breakdown of every structural option, finish, design selection included in this home, you'll be able to download the full property brochure by scanning the QR code at the end of this video. Of course, you're not just buying the home, you are buying into Astor Creek, one of Port St. Lucie's newest golf communities. Centered around an 18-hole championship golf course, Astor Creek offers residents a resort lifestyle with beautifully designed amenities, social events, and a location that puts you just minutes away from dining, shopping, and everyday conveniences. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence or a seasonal home, Astor Creek has quickly become one of the most popular golf communities on the Treasure Coast. And because this home is already completed and move-in ready, you can start enjoying the community immediately easily without going through the construction process. If you would like the complete property guide of this home, including the floor plan, pricing, structural options, and design options, simply scan the QR code to download the brochure. And if you would like to schedule a private tour of this home or other opportunities at Astor Creek, feel free to reach out. I would be happy to help. As always, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.